Hey, this is RM with Simple6, and we just added 2 new features today into Simple6. The first is the ability to do refunds up to 180 days after the order was made. Before it was up to like 60 days, but now you have 180 days after the order is placed where you can do a refund in Simple6. And the other is partial refunds. So if you want to refund specific tickets on the order or do a partial refund amount where you actually can set your own amount, you can do that too. All right, let's dive in. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let's dive in. The first step is to navigate over to orders, and then we'll search for our order here. We can search by buyer name or even a partial on the order number. So we'll search by that, and then we'll go ahead and click order. And here's all the order details. So if you want to do a full refund, you're more than welcome to do it. Basically, go to actions and then click on full refund, and it will fully refund the entire order, and that will also refund the Simple6 fees too. Now, if you want to do a partial refund, this is a brand new feature we just added. If you click partial refund, you can choose the reason for the refund, then click next. And now on this next page, this is the part that just got added recently, you can select a specific ticket to refund. So if it's both tickets, you can click both tickets and then click refund here, and it's going to refund it just as much as the full refund would. But now if you want to basically do a refund, but not the full amount. So let's say each ticket was $30 and the service fee when you added it on was an extra $2.20. If you just want to refund $60, you can click here to set a specific amount and then put in $60 here and then click refund now, and this is going to refund $60 back to them. So it's not the full amount, it's not one specific ticket, it's basically you're going to void both of these tickets, so they'll be deleted from your attendee list, and you're going to refund back this specific amount to their credit card. Well, thanks for watching our videos today. If you've enjoyed it, please click like and also click subscribe. That way, whenever we release a new video, you'll get a notification. Thanks a lot. Bye now.